God, thank you for this day. Lord, thank you for this day. Please keep us safe. And help us to realize and soak up all of the beauty in this machine. Beauty in this world. Beauty in this machine. That's funny. And off we go. Got a really good, we stopped here, got a really good picture of me and Trinity.
What's a,
Camera does it no justice, but I'll try to move so you can see the depth and how far down that is. We also got some video of some kayakers going over the edge here. It's pretty, isn't it, sweetie? You taking video?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Oh. Yeah, easy. Oh. Did you hear him?
Yeah. Be pretty cool. There's old Dave getting ready with his lightweight, real carbon fiber helmet. Okay. We're about 11 miles from our destination. And since you guys can't hear me anymore, we'll see you soon. Not sure where this is at, but I'll show it on the map. This is pretty. This is where we're going to be to watch the eclipse. And need a GoPro to put it on the water. I've got that little bitty one that's on my windshield. It's waterproof. That's where it's at so far. No focus, but tiny little sliver.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. You got a pretty smart kiddo, you know it?
Me?
Yeah.
Thanks. I tried.
It's getting for real dark now.
Oh, wow. Whoa!
Trinity, come here.
Oh my gosh.
Look at.
Wow. Can I look at it? Like, look at it.
Hold on, not yet. Not yet. Now you can look at it.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Whoa, I actually got it on my phone camera.
It's God's work, Trinity.
Wow.
You know that?
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Look how dark it is out here. That's amazing. Look up at that thing. Watch this.
Whoa.
That's it. Eclipse is over, and I'm fixing to depart from the beloved family. And I have no idea where I'm going. But that's part of the journey.
Yeah, you know where you're going. You've been there. Just south of,
though.
just remember when there's 2 switchbacks on the way out to Ozark.
2 back switches.
Yeah.
I've had a back switch a few times in my life.
Remember when you come up to these switchbacks, like this, you have to shift.
You said, let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater and so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way.